holding the web, and this is already folded. If I open, it will be very long, the web like this. And in this video, I'm going to show you, we fold the web, the bundle web, and we saw the web on the head to make the head wigs. So let me put this web down first. And you can see we have 3 wigs. I'm going to show you the difference among the 3 wigs, the head wigs. This is the 1 bundle volume. You can see the density, the volume of the hair, 1 bundle to saw of the head. And this is 20 inch. It's 2 bundles volume. This one, 2 bundles volume. And this red one is also 2 bundles volume. So now I'm going to show you the difference, because when we use 1 bundle to sew on the head, there is no line shown on the head. Let me show you. This is very clean. Very clean. This one. And this side is also very clean on both sides. So you pay attention, this side. And let's go to the red color one. This is the 2 bundles volume. At the beginning, we did not make it good because you can see these 2 lines, the red lines, because inside we saw the bundle. So there will be 2 lines, and even this area, you can see some lines on average. And also this way, there are also 2 lines like this. Here in this area, just near to the air, because I want to. So now you see there are there are lines and there are no lines. And the 2 bundles volume, I'm going to show you the because some customers are saying that at the beginning we didn't sew the web inside at this area, so you can see your ear. So there should be some hair fall down and cover this area. So let me show you the difference now. You see this, we saw the web inside here at this area, so the hair fall down and your ear is already covered like this one. You see, it looks like a little bit bald, not enough hair. This one already enough hair. There are enough hair. This same too. And you can see the difference. This. And you check here. You check here. So the hair should fall down like this. You check here. Show you the difference. So you can see this is 1 bundle volume to make a head wigs. There are not enough hair. There are not enough hair at both sides in this area. Not enough hair. Even I pull the hair in the front, but still not enough. Like this. And even I put the hair back, you see the difference is at this area. Even I put the hair back, the difference you can notice. So this is the 1 bundle volume to make the head wig and 2 bundles volume to make the head wigs. The difference, the volume at 2 sides, volume on 2 sides here for the hair for the not enough hair. The difference, one of the difference. And also, some customer will tell me that they don't want the lines here. It looks unnatural. This is the first wig we made. This is the first wig with 2 bundles. The first wig we made with 2 lines here and 2 lines here. It looks unnatural. This head wig. And we improve. Finally, we improve. So no lines here, okay? Only the lines will be sold at the back side, on the angle at the back side, but it's not here. Okay, and here too, no lines. It's clean here, it's clean. So the difference one is the hairs, whether there are enough hair to fall down on the both side here. And another difference is the line here. Another difference, whether there are lines, 2 lines or not. Another difference, like this one. I want to remind you one thing is the hair are 20 inch. So if you buy the hair shorter than 20 inch, there will be definitely the lines here. So if you don't want the lines short here, you should buy like 20 inch and up, because when the hair is long, the web is short. So, like I told you from the beginning, we fold the web. We fold the web. You see, we have to fold the web. It's very long, and we should sew the web like this. Here inside, I will show you the inside cap later. Here, line 1, this is layer 1, and the layer 2, the layer 1 and layer 2 up. I will show you later. So we need to fold the wig. I'm saying we need to fold the wig to sew the web inside the cap, inside this hat. So if you buy the hair, this hair is this hair. I'm saying the hair length. If you buy longer than 20 inch, 20 inch, 22, 24, 26, 27, 28, 30, there will be no lines like this. But if you buy short hair hat wigs like 40 inch, 20 inch, there will be definitely 2 lines here, because the short hair, the web is very long, and even we fold the web, the web is very long for the short hair. Even fold the web, it's still very long. It's still too long to sew inside the hat. Let me show you. You see? We saw this is the back side, right? This is the back side. I'm showing you. This is the back side. So we need to fold the hair, the web. This is the layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. See, we need to cut the web to sew like this along this line. We need to cut the web into several pieces along this line. So along this line, and another layer is like this. You can notice there are several layers like this: layer 1, layer 2, layer 4, layer 5. Okay, so if you buy the short hair, I'm saying if you buy the short hair, the web will be very long. Even we put different layers, it's still too long. So then after that, there will be definitely 2 lines or even 3 lines if you buy short hair length, like 20 inch hair, 40 inch hair, 60 inch hair, very long web. There will be the lines here. But if you buy 20 inch or longer, it's clean, long lines. There are long lines, it's clean. If you buy the long hair web, the hat wig like this one, and it's very comfortable. All the 3 hat wigs are very comfortable. It's very round, you see. It's still very round. Even there are 2 lines, it's still round. To wear like this, it's still round. Okay. So One thing I'm saying is, if you don't want natural, if you don't want a natural line sole on the head, you should buy longer bundles to make the head width like 20 inch, 22, 24, 26. It's clean and look natural. But you come here, but here at the back side there will be maybe it's few lines here, only at the back side. You see, only at the back side like this, back side. But the front side on, no, it's very clean. I hope you can understand this video. So it's worth it. 2 bundles volume. 2 bundles volume. I hope you guys can watch this video several times to understand what I'm talking about. If you have any questions, just ask me, contact us, and we can explain to you. But I think this video is already explained well. So, by the way, the 3 weeks, I'm going to do a sale because I already saw the hair on the heads. Anyone want to buy the 3 weeks, contact me. I'll give you a good price. Deep wave curl, deep wave straight, and we also have different texture head widths. If you want to buy the head width, contact me because I want to do the sales now. You can, and remember one thing is very important, because this is only the head width. It's very easy to wear, take it off, where to take it off. So I think the quality, if you don't want to do much coloring or bleaching or something else, it's just like a style and easy to maintain, you can consider the favorite $2 hair, so the price will be lower. And remember one thing very important, if you ask other vendors to do the head width or any other kind of width, you need to weigh it to check to check the weight, how many grams, because sometimes other vendors will do like 1.5 bundles, so they quote you the price you didn't notice, so the price is very low. So you can ask the details, very detailed, then you check whether it's worth buying or not. Remember, worth buying or not. So check the weight. If you are a very high class girl, you can want to show the best, you can buy our single donor, the Southeast Chinese version hair. Even some people will buy the celebrity hair, but it all depends on your pocket. This video can help you. Next video.